Hi everyone, this is JW20 and another video. Today is Ipswich v Norwich City and it's a derby.
Did you go to both games last year?
Yeah.
What was the score at home last year?
2-2.
Do you remember who scored?
Oh, not really.
No?
It was a couple of years ago.
It was good. So what have we done since then? Where have we been since we last played Norwich?
Premier League.
Premier League, exactly that.
So we should beat them. We should beat them,
but I mean, current form for both teams aren't exactly great. This is our probably best chance to beat them in that number that they keep reminding us about, how many years they've not beaten us, or sorry, we've not beaten them. They're not coming into this with great form. They just lost to West Brom at home, where last year and the year before they were unbeaten at home for a long period of time.
Yeah.
And then when we went to Carrow Road to watch them,
we lost 2-1. No, was it 2-1?
No.
1-0, wasn't it? And then
yeah.
Didn't we give away a penalty or something?
No, it was a long-range free kick.
Oh yeah.
Good guy that scored it though.
Yeah.
He now plays in blue. Which I think is going to rile a couple of Norwich fans today, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, what do you think of Nunes so far?
He's good. He is pretty good.
Has he had enough time yet, do you think, to prove himself for us? He's only really played about 100 minutes of football.
Yeah.
Come on for a couple of substitutions and then he started against Bristol City.
Yeah. I mean, I'm surprised he didn't start them because it was literally, we bought him the first day, didn't we?
Yeah, we bought him really close to the transfer window, but maybe he wasn't fit, maybe he didn't fit into the team dynamics at that point, getting up to speed. You just don't know, do you?
Yeah.
There's a lot of Ipswich Town fans with Nunes on the back of their shirts.
I think that's weird. I just don't think it's right to buy another person's player from the derby team. So
yeah. It does happen. Yeah, if he scores the winner today, it was the best decision ever, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So what are we going to do then? We're driving up to town now?
Yeah, and then we're going to get McDonald's.
McDonald's breakfast?
Yeah. Pancakes.
Pancakes? And then, do you want to see the coach greet?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll go do the coach greet. We don't have any flares. But I'm sure there'll be enough for everyone to inhale anyway. Yeah, we'll get into the ground. I think there's a North Stand tifo today as well.
What's that?
Do you remember, like, at the last derby there was the blue and white bits of plastic?
Oh, we got that as well.
Yeah, there's something in the North Stand. Blue Action have organised today as well.
Oh, they're doing it in the North Stand, not the...
North Stand. They always do it in the North Stand. I think they should try and mix it up a little bit, don't you? Because as much as I enjoy being part of the tifo, sometimes it'd be cool to see the tifo as well, wouldn't it?
I mean, in my last video, we managed to find a picture of the last derby video.
Yeah, we'll find another picture and put that into your video. Yeah. But then there was also one, I think it was the first home game back, wasn't it, with all the streamers and that, where everyone was throwing the streamers in.
Yeah.
That was good to be part of, but once again, it would have been cool to have seen it from the outside.
I remember throwing mine at him.
Yeah, it did. And then everyone was just, I'm surprised they allowed that to happen, to be honest.
I was surprised no one on the front row managed to throw it on the pitch.
It was only the upper tier that had the streamers. So it was the upper tier throwing it down to the lower tier.
Right, we're going to do some score predictions. I think the score is going to be 2-1 Norwich.
You think Norwich are going to beat us?
Yeah.
Why?
I just don't know, I just have that feeling. We've not done the best in the championship. Like a couple of years ago when we got back promotion.
Yeah.
I thought it was just like, yeah, we did do the best against Norwich last time. We've lost against, and like in the Carabao Cup, we lost against Bromley and like,
Oh, so you're being negative today. Alright, I'm going to put 3-1 Ipswich, but we're going to go 1-0 down to start with.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll pull it back.
Okay, fair enough.
You're not allowed to do it in fast. Referee's been poor, not booked enough Norwich players. Ipswich haven't been great either. Yes, we're 2-1 up, but I don't think that really reflects on how the game's been. But it is a derby and anything can happen.
Yeah.
Best part of the game so far?
That we finally managed to, at least we're winning in the first half.
Winning in the first half, yeah, it's not bad, is it?
I hope we can keep it 2-1, or we at least score another goal for the rest of the next half.
What did you say you said we were going to lose?
I know, but
oh, you're wrong already. That means I can come true though at 3-1, didn't I? They didn't score first, but we can still get 3-1. Yeah?
Yeah. From the stadium, the game ended as 3-1 Ipswich, which I'm happy about, and Philogene scored 1, Jack Clark scored 1, and Kipper scored 1. Right, we're going to do a full-time interview. Yeah.
Interview, very formal.
Oh, that's what I said to do.
Alright, fine. We'll interview, I'll be on my best behaviour. well. 3-1, not a bad result.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm glad we finally beat Monster.
Yeah. But
Good.
I think we were the better team. I think we did deserve to win. It was a poor goal for us to give to them. Like a cheeky little deflection off a poorly defended corner. So, what was your favourite part?
All of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
From start to finish?
Yeah.
Breakfast, greeting the bus, to the game, to the travel home.
Yep.
Good lad. Anything else you want to add?